welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the Underground Tremors quest in Heartopia. So this is for the preparation of the Call of Whales Fashion Wave event. So just walk around your house and you'll know once you've kind of like lagged a little bit, and that means you will be moved to the cutscene. There will be like a cutscene basically. Once the cutscene is finished, you are just going to go to the central street. I don't remember what it's called. I keep not remembering. But basically, you just have to talk to Atara. After that, you're just going to want to talk to Msimo, and once you're done, you just have to cook 3 foods, and you're going to give one of the foods to Annie. You can also just give one from your inventory, but here I just cooked 3 salads because it seems like the easiest option. You will get another cutscene, but yeah, that is basically it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!